Hello, good morning once again. Welcome back to our video. Ito naman ulit si Daddy GM para sa ating very quality defensive driving tutorial somewhere on the road. Alright, so nandito naman tayo. Paglabas mo sa gate, always check na dapat hindi siya masyadong dihado ka. So check always the road kung dapat nasa proper lane ka. Kasi to be a defensive driver is to be always alert. Hindi ka dapat na magdalawang isip. If you feel na para bang masikip ang daan, nahihirapan ka pagdaan, wag mong take the rest to go forward. All you have to do, just simply